from Rocknife. We have the 5-inch knife for you. Have a look at this, Damien. Tell me all about this one. This lovely knife. Well, they're all lovely knives, aren't they? But this one is just
great. I mean,
great size.
Yeah, very distinctive design on there.
Absolutely.
So you can always find it in the drawer.
Absolutely.
But the main thing about rock knives is the sharpness.
But they do come with a cover as well, don't they? So
they do.
Yeah.
So exactly. So protecting your fingers
yeah,
and children who reach into the drawer. I mean, they are super sharp, so you do have to be careful when you're cutting with a ceramic knife, and especially a rock knife. It feels more like cutting with a razor than a steel knife.
Yeah.
It's just the fact that the zirconium oxide is the material in these knives.
Yeah.
And it is harder than steel.
Really?
In fact, the only material harder than zirconium oxide that we know of is diamond.
Yeah.
Which we didn't really want to make our knives out of diamond.
Well, not really, no. It'd be quite expensive knives, really, wouldn't they? But the thing I like about this as well, while you're cutting through that onion, we're not getting we don't get the tears.
Well, that's it. So
why is that? Tell us why that is.
Okay, you've already noticed that. Well,
yeah.
So it's the sharpness of the knife means that you're not crushing the cells of the onion. When you cut through, like I'll do now, you're not crushing the cells, you're slicing through them, and it doesn't release the vapor that it does. I mean, you can cut extremely finely if you want to with these knives. In fact, that's what they're best at. Or you can just chop as you would for, say, a bolognese, dice your onion. But there's no vapor coming off.
There isn't,
really.
no. So I would actually.
Smell of onion, but
my mind's thinking now. Well, if there's no vapor coming on there, therefore the onion is not releasing vapor, so therefore the vapor stays in there. So when you're cooking with it, it probably takes
more flavour.
I don't know whether that's true or not. That's just my mind working. But I tell you something, they are beautiful knives, nice and easy to use, very, very simple. And not only that, but also they say the sharper the knife, the safer the knife. And what I like about these, you can get really, really thin pieces with it. Look at that, beautiful. They are fabulous knives. Look great as well. They look absolutely fantastic. Nice and easy to use, well balanced, nice and light, but not too light.
Yep, nice weight to cut with.
Absolutely,
yeah. So let's say if we were cutting, say, a pepper or something.
I like the handles on them as well. The handle feels nice. Do
you know what? They are. They're very. It's a very soft rubber.
Details are on the screen now, folks. Whatever you do, don't miss out on this one. You can see the details on the screen, the price. If you want to go to the website, all the details are there. Don't miss out on these. These are fabulous knives. They really are.
So one of the other advantages with ceramic is it doesn't oxidize the vegetable or the fruit. And a lot of chefs will talk about delicate tasting fruits, things like tomatoes sometimes, and the taste of steel that you can get left.
And you never would think about that, would you?
But ceramic, most people don't, but chefs do.
Well, of course, that's why they're chefs. Yeah, they know what they're doing.
Exactly. So yeah, you can see. I mean, really, the way they slice through like that is just lovely.
Yeah.
It feels very different from a steel knife. I mean, we're all used to cutting with steel knives.
Great present for somebody, these, whatever you do. I mean, if you're thinking about, if you know somebody who does a lot of cooking, or you do a lot of cooking, but this would be a fabulous gift for somebody, and it's different as well, isn't it? You're not going to find these in shops. You won't find these in your regular shops. This is unique.
This is great, yeah.
It is absolutely unique to Rocknife, and it is a branded name as well.
On a 5-inch knife like that, really, you've got so many uses for it. I mean, that I would use for most vegetables, a lot of the fruit, a lot of the cutting on things, things obviously, but tomatoes.
Yeah.
A most generally useful knife, I would say.
Super sharp ceramic knives, very, very safe. They less oxidization when you're cooking or when you're cutting as well. I think they're absolutely beautiful. They look fabulous. They're easy to use as well. I'll tell you something. Let me just have a go at that courgette.
Yeah,
just show out how easy it is to go through that courgette.
Well, it depends how you. Some people cut a courgette into pennies. I'd slice like that sort of thing.
That's what I like. But it's a lovely even movement, isn't it? Just as you're going through, it just slices beautiful.
It feels nice. Yeah, that's it. And it turns the job of cutting onions, which is most people's worst job in the kitchen.
Yeah.
That becomes a
Jump
pleasure.
on the phone now, folks. Make that call. All the details are on the screen. It is a fabulous knife, really good quality, super sharp, super safe. Every kitchen should have one.
The Rocknife 5-inch knife is available for £20.95. You can purchase online at www.rocknife.com. Use code TVW at the checkout or call our phone number 0117 318 0709. All postage and packing for Rocknives is free of charge.